Hello friends, I am Dipshikha. Welcome you in Dipshikhas Karushilp. Today I am going to show you how to make Khun Fabric fan. It is quite difficult to make fabric fan, and especially Khun fabric because these are very soft fabric and made of silk. So here I will be showing you how to make this fan. Follow my tips to prepare this beautiful fabric fan to decor your home in this festive seasons. So let's check it out, the process. Hope you guys enjoyed it. To prepare this fan, I'm going to use chart paper, Khun fabric. Here I'm using 1.5 meter Khun fabric. Fabric glue, I prefer fabric glue for fabric, and a brush. That's it. First of all, measure your chart paper length and width with your fabric, because we are going to cover the fabric from the back side and we are going to stick the chart paper on it. Don't worry if your chart paper size is smaller than your fabric, because I'm going to tell you one simple tip in the next process. Start applying the fabric glue on the chart paper and cover it from edge to edge. With the help of brush, spread the glue evenly all over the chart paper. Try to avoid a thick layer. Always apply a thin layer of fabric glue on the chart, otherwise it will appear on the fabric outside. When you're done applying the fabric glue on the one end, now it's time to stick the fabric on the paper. Try to match the ends and through your palm try to press the fabric on the paper and stick them carefully. If you see any air bubbles in between paper and the fabric, pull the fabric again and stick it again carefully. Press it to your palm and make it even. As you can see, my chart paper is also smaller than my fabric. That's why I am only sticking till the width of my fabric. I am completely avoiding the extra fabrics. Follow the same sticking process till the very end of the length of the fabric. Stick the two chart papers by overlapping them in this way. By this process, you will extend the length of the chart paper as per your fabric length. Here I have covered the length completely. Now for the extra parts, I have cut the chart paper into my required size, and by overlapping them I have stick them in this way. Always overlap the chart paper for better grip and sturdiness. Here my sticking part is complete, and this is the front side and this is the back side of the project. You can see the stick very beautifully. Now you can see the joints very well. I tried to make it seamless. This is the complete look. So you can see some wrinkles on the paper, and also our glue is not dried completely. So here I am going to iron it. Always iron it from the back side. Do not iron it from the front side because our fabric is made of silk. So be careful. And now my ironing is also done, and you can see very less wrinkles are left in our project. It's time for the next step, and in this step I'm going to draw lines in every 2 inch. I'm going to draw lines in every 2 inch using scale. I've drawn these lines. These are very light because I made it from pencil, so these are light. You can see here. Now we are ready for the next step, and for the next step I'm going to fold my paper cum fabric in every line. You can see here, one upside, one downside. I have folded them in this way. Now you can see how tiny it is looking now. We had 1.5 meter length fabric, and now it's looking like very small. You can see the folds. These are very clear folds. Now in this step I'm going to show you how I have folded this pattern, so it will be easy for you to make this fold. Here I have this A4 size pink chart paper. Consider this as the fabric, and I will show you the process how I have folded that fan. Here I am not dividing this paper into 2 inches because this paper is very small and easy to handle, but when you are folding that huge fan you will need a helping hand. But as this is a small paper, I am folding it by myself only. So you can see one upside fold, one downside fold. I try to match the edges for an even fold because folding it even is very important for a very perfect fan. Try to match the edges and fold them. This way you can fold the whole fabric. You can see these folds are same. Now it's time for the next step. In this step, I'm going to fold the folded part into half. In this way, you can see I have folded the fabric into half. Now I will tie the middle part using a rope or a thread. Make a very tight knot. In this way, we will secure the middle part where it's going to fold. It's done now. Now it's time to attach the ends. With the help of stapler, I'm going to attach the one end first and the next end later on for a 360-degree. You can see after attaching the both end how our fan looks like. It's already looking very pretty and bright. For an extra touch, I have prepared this using hoops. In this hoop, I have attached green color Khun Fabric using fabric glue. Glue gun helps to stick it very easily, and with the help of glue gun, I have also stick these cut mirrors in the middle. You can see the design, and in the border also. Now I'm sticking the cut mirrors in the same pattern to give it a complete look. I'm going to attach this part in the middle of my fan to give it a beautiful look. This fan is foldable. Just you need to remove the staple and you can pack it easily. You can keep it for the next time use. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon for further notification. You can also check my Facebook and Insta page Dipshikhas Karushilp for more art and craft ideas. Thanks for watching.